Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to use dual connection on your earbuds VIVO TWS 3E. And right here I have a first device what connected with the earbuds and the second one do not. This time we don't need to use the application to enable dual connection. We need to only pair these earbuds with the second device. So go to the settings on your second device, then Bluetooth or connected devices, and if you have Android, also click pair new device button at the top if you have this button, because at least at this one I don't have. Okay, so put your earbuds to the charging case and then press and hold the both of the touch areas until the LED light on the front side starts blinking white. Okay, this time we don't want to enter prank mode, so I recommend it to close the charging case, then open it again, and now press and hold at the both of touch areas. Here we go. Yeah? Did we have it? Okay, yeah, now it starts blinking. So you need to tap at your earbuds at the device list on your second device. And now we need to check is it connected with the first device, because usually do not. After you enter to prank mode, it disconnected automatically from your first device. So let's go to the settings, then Bluetooth, and we need to tap at these earbuds at the device list. And as you can see, now both of these devices connected with these earbuds. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave a like on the video. See you later!